I don't know nothing about tennis, so I had to Google some shit about tennis. I do have a tennis ball.
I just need one win in tennis and we're done. 1 million.
I think it's gonna be the easiest thing I've ever done in my life.
I know she hot over there.
That's it, I lost the game. I got 2 more games to go. Hopefully I win 1.
I mean, for you, you hope you win 1.
I will win 1. All right, I'm here to give him all the smoke. Day 2, I'm gonna win this one. I'm gonna give him all the smoke if he wants to pick up. See, he's not picking up. So, he's scared. I better get this one. So it's basketball. I better win. I'm gonna win. I don't need no luck. I just got talent.
Yes! Yes!
All right, let's see. Let me try to call him to see if he didn't change his mind, you know, because I think he was a little worried. He called me last night and he was like, you sure you want to do this? I'm like, why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? Let's see. Oh, it's going through. All right, let's see. Let's see where he at. I think he changed his mind.
What it
Hello.
do?
Hi,
Hello.
I'm here. You ready to lose?
You downstairs?
Yes.
All right,
I'm at
here I
the door.
come.
Oh, he's coming.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
What are you doing?
I was watching TV.
Oh, trying to get some new plays for me because you're about to lose.
Gotcha.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. You ready to lose?
At what?
Ready to lose?
At what?
At what? At basketball. Well, you gotta guide me. Where are we going? Where's the court?
Upstairs.
We're not wasting no time.
We're not wasting no time.
Oh yeah? Oh, you had to put your jersey on?
Huh?
Jersey on, arenas, 0.
Yeah.
0, you made no buckets.
No, that's what.
That's what
you're
it is?
Oh.
No buckets?
I made no buckets, or you're not gonna get any buckets. Come on.
Oh, I'm not gonna get, but you're the one wearing the shirt.
Let me go ahead and turn off the water so
Okay. Where can I put my bag?
you can put it in the sun. You got a backpack?
Yeah, I got a backpack. you know what's in the backpack?
No. Keys?
No.
My keys, my 911 keys?
There?
That's what you're wearing? You're wearing 4s?
No?
Huh?
I thought they were basketball shoes. They're not basketball shoes?
I mean, yeah. Adidas, Nike, oh, you all over the place.
Sure. I'm not sponsored by
What size you wear?
Adidas.
What size you wear?
9. No, in men, 8.
8. Oh, perfect. My son's size. I got
Okay.
you. I put you some Agent Zeros, give you a better chance.
Oh, okay, well,
Okay.
thank you.
Oh, no problem.
So I guess my shoes are not good. They're not basketball shoes. Okay, well, hopefully I have more chances to win.
You want to get some practice in real quick? You want to put some practice shots up?
I don't need practice. Damn.
Here you go.
Hey, thank you.
Man, I got you some water. I don't know if you need some body armor. It's the Kobe edition. Maybe it might, help you. It's Mamba.
Okay, I'll try.
Might give you some.
I got the water
You
too.
got some
Just
so-
one.
so-
Just one.
okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, it's dusty.
Yeah,
It's
the
pollen. It's fine.
I mean, if that's what you're worrying about, then you got a real problem. You're worrying about pollen.
And I'm just worried about winning.
You're worrying about. You should be worrying about losing that 911. Like, I didn't bring no basketball shoes. To be honest, I'm just not going. I'm not taking you serious.
Strawberry grape, Mamba forever. That's good. I should have wore his number, huh?
24?
Kobe.
You just need one.
1. Can we play with men's ball?
No, that's all.
That's girl?
I mean, you can play with man's ball.
That's girl or guys? I better not lose. This is not happening to me. Not today. No, sir. No,
You
sir.
might get an Uber sponsorship.
Oh, so you're on his side now. He doesn't do it anymore. He's done.
Absolutely.
He's done. He got bad knees.
And y'all playing at the 21 too?
Yes.
And you just gotta score one.
One time.
I got, you know what?
I think I
I
can.
think you can too.
You don't think so?
I hope you
I need to score one right now. I can't even score one right now.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Oh. Right.
I don't think I need a warm up at this point. Okay.
Maybe you do.
All right, okay.
Maybe you do.
Oh my God.
Exactly, you do.
Damn.
Shut up.
Like I'm glad I didn't
When
put on
did you retire?
I didn't even put on basketball shoes.
Yeah, you're gonna regret that.
I didn't even put on
When
basketball.
did you retire?
Huh?
When did you retire?
2013.
Oh, you're done. That's more than fucking, what, 10 years ago?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're done.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I would shoot for takeout, but since I'm 1-0, I'd get the ball first. Home court advantage.
How you get the ball first?
Home court advantage. I just won in tennis.
Hey ladies, y'all gonna be mad at me because ain't no chivalry going on. I'm trying to figure out how to get the ball first. I don't need no mother that she throw one of these mother shots up and it go in and I lose my money without actually like dominating.
Home court advantage.
No, you should be nicer because I lost.
No.
Yes.
No, and it's make it take it.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Do you know the rules? Do you know the rules?
No.
You don't know the rules.
I can't let you score.
No, if I
I can trick you, push you, all of that, right?
This is easy work, man. She don't even know what's going on.
This is like taking candy from a baby, which is fine by me.
All right, so what we're going up to?
21, you said.
By ones and twos or twos and threes?
2 and 3.
So, okay, what's the 3-point line?
The regular one.
The white line?
White line.
Okay.
That's the regular one, right?
Yeah.
Get ready for the next
So we're going 2s and 3s.
Yeah.
All right. Wait, damn. Back up.
No,
You're supposed to
because
back up.
why? You might try to make a 3.
No, I'm
Yes,
gonna make a.
I know you. You're gonna try
I'm
to
gonna
make-
make. I can't shoot. You never seen my game.
I don't care.
You don't never seen my.
Okay,
Wait, do we have
well-
a certain amount of dribbles, or no? It's just unlimited dribbles.
You can travel.
Huh?
You can
You
travel.
don't even know what travel is.
Yes, I know.
Huh?
3 steps. Come on.
Oh my God, this is so easy, man. Watch out,
Hey,
little.
don't be pushing me. That's not
Watch
foul.
out,
That's foul. No, but that's foul.
you
Why you push me so much? Huh? You elbow me in my stomach. I'm trying to have kids.
Okay, cool.
Don't be doing that
shit. Watch out.
Why are you doing this? No, but like,
4-0.
no, but you elbow me. This time in the boobs.
Are we playing basketball?
But you can't do that.
You never seen basketball before?
I don't see them doing this.
Oh, this is 80s rules. Then you need to back up.
Why?
Or you're gonna keep getting hit.
No.
Okay.
Stop doing this.
Hey, I probably ain't even gonna shoot. I don't need to shoot. Let's go.
Are you serious?
6-0.
Am I bleeding?
I don't know. 6-0.
It's an evil world we live in.
Stop leading with your face.
Am I bleeding?
No. Check up.
No. Stop! You miss.
9.
No, but stop.
So you gotta take it.
Yeah, I can't make it. But I would have.
Out on you.
So when you miss, you gotta take it back to and reset to the.
Oh, I can't just take it. Okay, so it's me.
No.
You missed.
I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna take her shit, okay? I'm taking her shit.
Okay, stop cheating. You missed, so it's my ball. Why you do this?
Million, get your million.
What? Move. Move.
You know how to play basketball?
I don't think that's the line.
The line's right here. So I'm behind it.
Okay, give me the ball. Put it down. But stop. Why you hold me? That's fucking foul.
Shoot for it. If you call a foul, shoot for your foul.
From here?
Yep. No, from the white line.
This one?
Yep.
Can I do a A little.
Sure.
This is for $1 million.
No, that's for your foul.
I can still score one time and then it's done. All right then. So that is for $1 million.
No, that's for to get the ball back.
What the
Foul, I called my ball.
Oh my God.
So this is just get the ball back.
You
That's
a
my
cheater. You can have it. Go get it. Your ball.
9-0.
You almost busted my lip.
You still talking about the lip? Oh. Get your, why your face? Why your face? You don't supposed
Where is my face supposed to be? I don't know. I can't see the ball.
That's what
What do you mean by that?
So I gotta see. Hey, don't worry. Whatever.
11.
You be cheating. Why are you holding me?
I didn't hold you.
Why you hold me? Stop cheating. Hey, no.
Out of bounds on you.
Huh?
Out of bounds on you.
How is it out of bounds? Stop fucking cheating. Go over here out of bounds.
Lord, I wanna say thank you.
Did you just try yeah, you really want that meal, yeah? Let me just go ahead and finish this. Watch out. Oh.
Where you
Travel.
Shut up, you say we gotta come back here.
Well, it was an air ball, so you actually could have just took it like.
No, but
Travel.
you see, you guys don't be telling me the rules.
Oh, boo-hoo. Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
It's not f***ing travel.
Shoot for it.
Oh, fuck. Too far. Fuck you.
Oh, man. Oh, thank you.
You're missing.
Oh.
Exactly.
You have to dribble it out now.
Do I?
This way, you have to dribble past the white line.
You lying?
No, you have to dribble it out. You can't dribble no more.
Why you come up with new rules?
This is, no.
So I can shoot?
No, you have to take it.
So I'm done. No, but you be cheating.
No, I'm dribbling out.
Tell me the fucking rules so I know.
Oh, now you want the rules?
Yes.
Okay, if I miss it
Yes.
and I hit the rim,
Yes.
you have to dribble it out. And clear.
then-
This is clear
Okay.
line. If I airball and don't hit the rim, you can just put it back up.
Okay. Don't hit me in the face with the ball. I'm telling you.
What you looking at? You looking at? Oh, you looking at?
No, I'm not looking at your dick. The fuck?
What's the score?
9.
Oh my God.
9-0.
I got 11. Oh my God. 13.
You're sweating, huh? Easy work, but you're sweating. You missed.
Yep.
Oh, fuck. You and your watch out.
Foul.
You want to say watch out?
Watch out.
Should be my ball.
No, you fouled me.
Shoot for it.
No.
I didn't foul. Shoot for it. You want to give me those like this? Shoot for it. I didn't foul. Okay. Go!
Uh-oh, here you go. Come on, buddy. Melli Monaco. Not Melli, it's Melli Monaco. Get that Melli.
Stop!
Stop what?
Just play!
I am.
Nobody does that.
Who doesn't?
When they do one-on-one, I don't see people putting their booty out.
Apple bottom jean boots with the fur.
Booty out. Hey! Nobody's fucking doing this. Play
Oh, thank
regular. No!
Now you gotta dribble.
All right, so now I have it.
Okay, now you gotta shoot now.
Move.
How about no?
No?
No,
I was just passing myself.
you can't pass it to yourself. That's called travel.
Thank you.
See if she gives it to me right now. Thank you. Oh. 19. Point game.
Is it 19?
Yeah.
We were just at 15.
I was at 17.
Okay, wait. Can I have the ball?
No. Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. How you want it? How you want it? You want to post up?
I want 3.
Huh? You
I
want
want
to post
a
up?
3 jump. Ah! Stop, move!
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Huh? You want a 3 jump?
Yes.
You want 3 jump? Which way? That way, that way. Huh? Okay.
Miss. Exactly.
I don't have to worry about it. You got to dribble.
Move. Move.
Takes all. It's the thrill of one more kill. The last one.
You cheated. You cheated.
Hey, this is what you're supposed to do with the ball. Come on. Just for next time. Are you supposed to post me up? Here, get the ball. Get the ball down here. And like I was doing to you.
I tried to hit it. She wouldn't even give me none. It ain't gonna work. I bet you don't get none. I bet you don't get it. I bet you don't get it. I hope you don't get it.
And then you post me. Yeah.
No, what you were doing was this in the face, everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the, yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, see? You see how easy that looks?
No, but you're pushing me and you're heavier.
Okay.
You're like.
Yeah, do that. Yeah.
That's a foul.
I mean, you're supposed to lead with the buttocks, though.
That's gay.
For who?
For you?
Not me.
You're like,
Go. Yeah.
dudes in front of you, and you're like, move, move. That's gay. Gay.
Yeah, you're a scorer, yeah, see? Yeah. Good job.
You're a cheater. Hey.
Next time, know the rules.
Okay, well, we have bowling. No, but next time I don't need you to explain the rules no more, because I know them now. You cheated. You cheated because I didn't know the rules, and now we want to act like I should know them. I don't play basketball.
Complain.
There's no complaining.
Losers always complain.
You're just a cheater.
Complain. 2-0. Get that 9-11 ready.
I think I'm going to win bowling. I have to.